stop. So we've all heard great things about the new macOS Sequoia, and so just like everyone else, I was getting this constant notification on my Mac, and it was telling me to update my MacBook Pro. I was busy, so I just keep pushing it behind, like I'm going to do this sometimes later. And one afternoon where I was less busy, I just felt like, you know what, this has been bugging me forever. Maybe I should just update. And the worst thing, I mean, this is December. This is the period where all your tailors are constantly failing to deliver to clients. Quick background, my name is Samuel Olatero, and I'm a filmmaker and I do a lot of post-production stuff. So basically, my laptop is my workhorse here. And I still have all my softwares on the laptop, the ones I borrowed, all my third-party plugins, all the lots. You know, like as a filmmaker, you have all the softwares and all the plugins you've accumulated over time. And all of a sudden, from an update, I get this black screen. The black screen of death. All because I made this one single mistake. What was my mistake? I didn't check my hard drive space. So like everybody else, I thought, I already have an operating system. I have like a little bit of like 50 gig or 70 gig space on that drive. And I felt, okay, that would just be enough for the operating system to write itself and do everything I need to do. But my brother was joking. So if you are just like me and you're having this similar problem, I searched the whole internet to find a way to fix it, and I do not have any answers. I had to figure this out on my own. That's how I have to make this video. Alright? So these are the steps I took, and this is going to save you a lot of time. Number 1, you have to shut down your computer. You have to connect another computer. So you have to try and get another MacBook that is just like yours, and you connect it through 3.0 USB cable drive. You turn on the computer. When you turn it on, you press Command Shift R so you can save boot into the commandos of your macOS. So when you save boot, all you have to do is go to this Apple icon. Then you go to Started Disk. On Started Disk, you get the option Restart in Target Disk Mode. After Target Disk Mode, it will start doing a bit of restart. That's the magic sample Apple. We love that stack upside. From that, to get this to simultaneous, your device is now showing up on your next computer as an hard drive. Click on that mode, copy out all your files. When you copy out all your files, then you go ahead and do the one thing you don't really want to do. Format your computer. Format it. There's no way around it. That's what I did, I danced around it for, quite a number of days. And I lost a lot of time, and that I wish I didn't. So I hope this saved you a bit of time. Shout out to all our clients that has been looking out for us throughout 2024. It's 2025. We're going to be doing great more stuff. Our showreel link is down here. You're going to see it. If you want to see more of what we did last year, you can click on it, and I promise you, you're going to love it. Yeah? See you.